everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather and today's recipe is pesto. So this is a quick, easy, get it together and go recipe. The hardest part of this is collecting the ingredients. You need basil, pesto, garlic, olive oil, and Parmesan. That's it. 5 things and you'll have pesto in 5 minutes. Well, okay. However long it takes you to make your noodles, that's actually how long it will take, but my noodles are already done, so this should be a quick video, and I wanted to show you because it is so delicious and so very easy. You ready? All right, let's go. All right, if you're making this recipe with me, go ahead and start your pot of water right now to boil, because I already made my noodles, so I'm not gonna show you that part. I also went ahead and browned some chicken sausage to go in our meal too, because it's time for dinner and I want to get this done. All right, so we're gonna need a food processor or something. If you don't have a food processor, you will be able to make this in a blender or something like that. In fact, I could have probably used my deluxe cooking blender from Pampered Chef, but that's okay. I like using this for my pesto. I use it all the time, and so this is what we're gonna use. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so it's all ready. I'm gonna add 4 cups of basil leaves. Next, we're gonna add 4 teaspoons, no, 4. Next, we're gonna add 4 cloves of garlic and 1/4 of a cup of pine nuts. That's it for the moment. All right, and now we're just gonna pulse that. A fine paste. All right, I'm going to show it to you. So when it looks similar to this right here, you are ready to start your next step. So now we are going to drizzle in the oil as it's going. So we're going to go ahead and push go, and then we are going to drizzle in our oil. And you want to do it just a little at a time. Let it have time to incorporate. And you'll see it start to move inside the processor. And about halfway through, we're going to turn it off and scrape down the sides because we want to make sure that all of our basil gets in there. All right. And we're going to get it going again. And more olive oil. And this is a cup of olive oil. All right, let's give it a look. Look at that. It looks beautiful. All right, and now we're going to add in our Parmesan cheese. So we're just going to dump the whole thing in there. Then replace the lid. Now, this time, we are not going to process it for long at all. We just want to combine it just together. So we're just gonna maybe give it, I don't know, 10 pulses. And that's it. That's all we're going to do. All right, so now I have my bowl here. Let's get our pasta. And this is a gluten-free pasta, so it'll stick together a little bit. But check out this beautiful pesto sauce. Isn't that beautiful? Oh man, I cannot wait. My mouth is watering. I love pesto. And give it a good toss with the pasta, and then I'll add some more depending on how it looks once it's all tossed together. All right, looks like it could use some more. One of my favorites. Food is my favorite. People who watch the channel a lot, food is my favorite, isn't it? I'm not a small girl. Food is my favorite. All right, that looks fantastic. Okay, let's get a bowl so that we can serve this up. All right, the other thing I wanted to mention before I serve it up, be sure to put this in a glass jar with a lid and store it in the refrigerator or in the freezer until you need it again. Here's a tip. If you make a big batch and you don't think you're going to use it, pour it into ice cube molds, freeze it, and then have little chunks of it that you can add to like pasta later. I do that a lot, because I get these little, I'll show you. These are little instant rice noodles, and sometimes I don't use the little packet. I just use one little cube of pesto, warm it all up, and I have my own rice noodle pesto. The bomb. Good hack, good college hack. It's delicious. These are like 70 cents at the store. I love it. All right, let's serve this up. So first I will go ahead and I will put our pesto, gluten-free pesto pasta. Those of you who are gluten-free, of course, you can use any type of pasta that you desire. But I am gluten-free, so I am going to use gluten-free, and we'll twist it up into a nice, beautiful little nest. Okay, all right. And then I'm gonna put a couple sausages on here. All right, and finally, I'm gonna do some fresh grated Parmesan right over the top. And bam, our pesto is done. Okay, so here we go. Taste it. Delicious. I know it's gonna be good, but I'll taste it for you. I love pesto. And fresh pesto, it is so good, so fresh. There you have it. Quick, easy, get it together and go. Easy recipe, right? If you're a fan of pesto, you should try your own pesto. All right, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week, and I'm always up for the next adventure. So if you have something you want me to try, leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next adventure. All right, you guys, bye. Seriously. Pesto's like sinful. It's so rich, it's so deep. I could eat this for days. I will eat this for days. I made a lot.